This is What's Trending, bringing you the latest on matters affecting you. Hi, I am JR. Welcome to the show. On today's show, we'll be looking at high fuel prices and how persons can save on fuel going forward. So, without further ado, let's jump straight to it. With economies across the world being negatively impacted by rising fuel prices, Jamaica is no exception. Here in Jamaica, we have seen fuel prices increasing by over 30% in the last 5 months. Let's look at fuel price at the retail level, as this is where consumers are being hit. Fuel prices vary depending on the city. Cities such as Portmore had gas prices at 228 GMD per litre, while cities such as Ocho Rios had gas prices at 300 GMD per litre. To put this into perspective, this is about $1.47 to $1.92 USD per litre. With no end in sight for the increasing gas prices that we are seeing, here are a few fuel saving tips. Slow your vehicle gradually when coming to a stop instead of performing harsh sudden braking. 2. Proper servicing of your vehicle. An efficient vehicle will ensure improved miles per gallon of fuel. 3. Drive at moderate pace. The old adage, haste make waste. In this instance, you'll be wasting fuel. Do not allow your car engine to idle for too long. It takes more fuel to idle your car engine than it does to restart your engine. 5. Turn your car AC off if it's not needed. For example, if you're cruising on the highway. 6. Do not drive unnecessarily. Carpool if this is possible. This may be obvious, but a lot of people do not consider this. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. Please remember to like the video and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you later. We're out. Bye.